select the pen and you go click and drag to make a smooth point. Click and drag to make a smooth point. If you want to edit the direction lines, press Alt or Option. Depends if you are on Windows or on a Mac. Then again, Alt for editing the direction lines. If you want to move a point, let's say that I put it here and I want to move it, you can press Ctrl or Command if you are on a Mac. Then Alt to edit this direction line. Let's move it a little bit down. Click and drag. Click and drag. And click on the first point to close the shape. So now our path is the shape. If you want to refine it, you can select all and let's move it in the middle. Then get the direct selection tool and select, and you can edit point by point. If you want to add another point, let's say that I want to add a point here with direct selection, you can select the direct selection tool and select the point that you want to edit. Same tools are available if you get the pen tool and you go over just the line where you have no point and you want to add a point. Let's say that I want to add a point here. I can go click and a point it has been added. If I want to edit a point, I can press Alt and by clicking that point it turns into a corner point with no direction lines. Let's say that when this is a corner point, or I can press Alt and then edit the direction points. If I am with the pen tool and I press the Control or Command, I can select a point and also edit its direction lines. But if I have a smooth point, it is going to stay a smooth point. But pressing Alt or Option, you can turn it into a corner. You can move not both the direction lines, but just one direction line. Let's add a little bit of more paths. Let's say that I want here something like this. Let's get the selection tool, select this, and if I press down Alt or Option key while dragging, I can make a copy. If I press Command or Control T, it's gonna transform our path, and let's say flip horizontal. Then let's do one more here. something like that. And let's make a smile. Oops, sorry. Shift A to get to the single. Let's first convert it, and after that we'll do one like this, the other one like this. Let's say that that's enough. Okay, so now press escape. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what can we do in the first place to combine them? Let's say that I want to combine this with this. I have the shortcuts in here in the option toolbar, and I have subtract, intersect, and add. If I'm going to click this one and combine, now it was added. If I'm going to click this one, now let's say the intersection. So now we have just one path. Let's say that I want to intersect those two. That's the intersection. Let's say that I want just to get out this one. Can make it like this to add it to get the intersection or to combine them.